I was so hungry. My stomach hurt. I had been working all day. I had no time to eat breakfast. I had no time to eat lunch. Finally, I could take a break. I walked to the park. I sat down on a bench. I opened my bag. Inside was a sausage. It smelled so good. I picked up the sausage. I was ready to take a bite. Then I saw something. A dog was standing near me. It was brown. It was very thin. I could see its bones. It looked at my sausage. Then it looked at me. It looked so hungry. I looked at my sausage. Then I looked at the dog. My stomach hurt, but the dog needed food more than me. I gave the sausage to the dog. The dog ate it fast. Then it walked away. I went back to work. I was still hungry. 2 weeks passed. I forgot about the dog. One day, I went to the woods. I needed special leaves for my college project. I walked deep into the woods. I looked for the leaves. Then, something bad happened. My foot went into the ground. The ground was soft. It was not normal ground. It was quicksand. I tried to move. I tried to pull my leg out. But I went down more. I was scared. My heart was beating fast. The quicksand was up to my knees. Then it was up to my waist. I screamed, "Help! Help me!" Nobody came. I was far from the street. Nobody could hear me. I kept going down. I was so scared. I didn't know what to do. Then I saw something. A brown dog was coming toward me. It was the same dog, the dog from the park. The dog walked around the quicksand. It looked at me. It was trying to help me, but it couldn't reach me. Then the dog left. I felt so sad. I felt so alone. I thought I was going to die there. The quicksand was up to my chest now. I closed my eyes. I wanted to cry. Then I heard something. I opened my eyes. The dog was back, and 2 men were with it. "Help!" I screamed. "I'm stuck." The men ran to me. One man got a long branch. He held it out to me.
"Grab it!"
he said. I grabbed the branch. The 2 men pulled. They pulled hard. Slowly, I came out of the quicksand. Finally, I was out. I was safe. I lay on the ground. I was shaking. The dog came to me. It licked my hand.
"This dog brought us here,"
one man said.
"It kept barking at us. It wanted us to follow it."
I looked at the dog. It saved my life. I remembered the sausage. I remembered that hungry day in the park. I gave the dog my food. Now the dog gave me my life. I hugged the dog. "Thank you," I said. "Thank you." From that day, he came home with me. I gave him food every day. I gave him a warm place to sleep. The dog became my friend. He became my hero. Do you have a pet? How did you meet your pet? If you enjoyed this story, give it a like and subscribe for more English stories. Lesson of the day: take a break. Take a break means to stop working or studying for a short time to rest or relax. Examples from the story: I had no time to eat lunch. Finally, I could take a break. More examples. Let's take a break and drink some water. Take a break. You look very tired.